Welcome to the future of the product strategy. This is not just a spreadsheet. This is a 75 sheet AI powered the consulting accelerator that replaces hundreds of hours of the manual framework building. Whether you are a PM at a Fortune 500, a founder scaling your startup, or a consultant advising across industry, this workbook gives you everything you need instantly. Today, I will walk you through all the nine modules and show you exactly why product leaders across the banking, energy, AI, and blockchain are calling this the most complete innovation toolkit ever built. Let's get into it. Before that, a disclaimer. All facts, numbers, and the example in this deck are illustrative only and do not represent real client data. This content is for education and demonstration purpose only. Okay, so why most teams are stuck? Every industry on this slide is emerging value because they are working with the fragmented tool, manual process, and the frameworks built in PowerPoint slides that go stale the moment they are created. Manual loan approval take days. Strategic fraud rules can't keep up with the real time threats. Siloed patient records compromising care quality. These aren't isolated issues, they are systematic. And the cost hundreds of the consulting hours per project just to build the scaffolding before any real strategy work begins. That ends today. This workbook was engineered specifically to solve these exact pain points across every industry shown here with one integrated AI powered system. All right, so here it is. The product and the innovation mega workbook, 75 sheets, 9 fully integrated modules, 597 live formulas that calculates, upgrade, and surface insight automatically. This isn't a static template you fill in once and archive. Every module is interconnected. Data you enter in your product backlogs flows into your Gantt, into your prioritization heat map, into your matrix dashboard. The auto filtered by industry and the tech stack means a banking PM and an AI startup founder can both use the exact same workbook and gets output perfectly tailored to their domain. This is enterprise grade consulting infrastructure available to everyone at a fraction of what a big four firms would change. So before you build a single feature, you need a rock solid strategic foundation. So the module one gives you exactly that. You get a guided vision and a mission builder, a structured problem canvas that forces the clarity on the customer pain you are solving, a market sizing model with the TAM, SAM, SOM calculation, a full competitor landscape matrix, a live SWOT analysis, SWOT analysis, and a strategic pillar framework that links every initiative back to your business goal. The product scorecard that gives your leadership team a real-time view of strategic alignment. This alone replaces the 3 to 4 weeks of strategic consulting work, and that is just module one. Road mapping is where most product team lose weeks. You are manually updating spreadsheet, chasing stakeholders for capacity number, and rebuilding the Gantt chart every sprint. Module 2 eliminates all of that. You just need to enter your features and estimated effort once, and the workbook automatically generates a Q1 through Q4 Gantt chart. A capacity plan based on your team size and velocity, and a dependency matrix that flags conflicts before they become blockers. The release plan sheet then outputs a stakeholder review ready view that you can share directly. This model alone has saved user 40 plus hours per roadmap cycle. The hardest question in product management is what do we build next? The Model 3 answer is with the 5 battle tested prioritization framework, all pre built and the formula driven. The RSI scoring gives you a quantitative rank. Moscow forces business leverage triage. Cano analysis identifies your true delight drivers versus the basic table stacks. The weighted scoring let you customize the criteria to your specific business model, and the impact versus the effort heat maps gives the leadership an instant visual to align around. This five framework running in a parallel eliminates gut feeling distance and replaces them with data driven confidence. This is how the top tier consulting firms build product roadmaps, and now you have the same infrastructure. Building great products requires three things: working together, deep user understanding, a sharp go to market plan, a pricing model that captures value. The module 4 through 6 deliver all the three. Module 4X, the force UX research pipeline gives you structured templates for user interviews, affinity mapping, and the persona building. So your product decisions are grounded in real data and not assumptions. The Module 5 GTM toolkits helps you define your ideal customer profile, map through channel strategy, and build a launch checklist that nothing slips through. Model 6 then builds your pricing architecture from freemium to enterprise tier with a live revenue forecast that updates as you adjust assumption. This is the commercial engine behind every successful product launch. Now, you can't manage what you don't measure. The Model 7 builds your entire matrices architecture around your North Star metric, then cascade it through acquisition, activation, retention, revenue, and referral. You get a pre-built KPI dashboard that updates automatically. Model 8 innovation pipelines give structure to your idea to market process from raw ideation through feasibility, prototype, pilot, and scale. So nothing falls through the cracks, and every innovation bet is tackled. And Model 9 is the experiment engine, a full A/B testing framework with the hypothesis builder, sample size calculators, strategic significance testing, and automated winner logic. This is how data driven projects organization operate. And this workbook puts all of that infrastructure at your finger point. Let's talk about ROI. A Big Four consulting engagement for a product strategy runs anywhere between 50K to 500K dollar. It takes weeks to kick off, months to deliver, and the framework they build are often handed back as a strategic PowerPoint slide. This workbook gives you the same structured thinking, the same enterprise grade framework, the same analytical rigor, but it's live, interactive, and auto updating and reusable across every project you ever work on. 200 plus consulting hours saved per project. That's not a marketing claim. That's the reality when you replace the manual framework building with 597 formulas that do the heavy lifting for you. For product manager, founder, consultant, and innovation team, this is the highest ROI tool you will ever buy for your practice. This is your moment. Everything you just saw, 9 models, 75 shades, 597 formula, every framework your product team needs is available right now. Not in 6 weeks, not after a scoping call. Now, head to etsy.com shop digital IT by searching to download the complete Mega Workbook, including the full documentation, onboarding guides, and screenshot of all the 75 sheets to so you know exactly what you are getting. Whether you are a solo PM trying to level up, or a consultant building a premium client delivery, or an innovation team standardizing your operating model, this is the investment that pays back in the first week. Don't rebuild another framework from scratch. Download this, open it today, and start shipping better product faster. The link is on the screen. Go get it. Thank you.